Today's video, I show you guys how to fix widescreen and play NFS Underground 2 in full screen on modern monitors in 2026. All you have to do is check my video description for this mod link. Just scroll down and check the download option, and you just need to wait for 10 seconds. After the 10 seconds, select the download now option. And after the download done, check my video description for this another mod link. Just scroll down. You can able to see yes still works. Select the link and it will start downloading. As you can see, select the suspicious download blocked and select download suspicious file and select this folder icon. Right click on the downloaded file, select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Just close up here. Just go back and open this NFS Underground 2 widescreen fix. Just close stuff here and right click on the game and select the open file location. Just drag and drop these two files in your game folder and select do this and select continue. And now open the WinRAR and go back and open this NFS Underground 2 widescreen fix. Just drag and drop this NFS widescreen fix.asi to scripts folder. Replace the file in the destination and now launch the game through the desktop shortcut and you will never face a black screen problem, guys. So normally if you just drag and drop the widescreen fix, you will get black screen. Doing this, you can prevent black screen and enjoy the game. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.